Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm a photographer in New York City, and today guys I want to do an unboxing for my first drone ever. I never had a drone before. This is gonna be my first drone. I got myself the DJI Mavic Mini. So this is the one we got. I got the box here. I want to show you what we got, right? So let's do the unboxing for this right here. Alright. We got in here. Hopefully I got something good, you know. A bunch of this stuff that I don't need. Got a memory card. So let's see what memory card we got in here. 1 second, guys. Let's see what we got in with this memory card. It is 64. This is a 64 gigabyte. Pretty cool, right? 64. Alright, so here's the drone. Like I said, this is the Mavic Mini. I cannot wait to try this bad boy right here. Okay. Cool, right? So let's see what we got. Nice. Okay. This thing is cool, right? So let's see, open this right here. Nice way to open that box. Yeah, the smell. I love the smell. So then we got the bag. Pretty simple, but it's nice. And probably have more stuff on this here. I don't know. Let's see what else we got. I got this right here. This is basically if you want to fly the drone inside the house. This is nice, gonna be nice, right? Yeah. So if you want to fly the drone inside the house, you can. Just gonna put this so you can protect the drone. So you don't want to break your drone, right? I don't want to be using this, to be honest with you, but it's good to have if you want to fly inside of a place indoor. So basically to fly in, they had two of them. I guess a second one over here. Right. Nice. And comes in this box right here. Nice. Alright, let's see what else we got. We got more pieces that have to do with the drone. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so this is the, I guess the manual, so you can see how this thing works. A lot of people sometimes I don't read that. To just practice and then learn for yourself. And one on. See what else we have in the drone. So I have this box here. I guess this part is like more parts of the drone. This is the charger, and this is the battery. This is the charger to charge your battery. So that's what it is. Nice, huh? So it comes with two. It's come with this box. 3 batteries. I got the combo, the one that comes with 3 batteries. I can charge. I don't have any problems. If I want to fly for like a long time, for at least an hour to an hour and a half, I can. I got more things over here. Let's see what else we got. So I guess this is probably the charger, the cable, some part of the cable or something. Yeah. This is what it is. It comes in a box like this, and this is the to charge the batteries. So nice, right? I hope I'm not missing the charger, because if I'm missing the charger, I cannot use the drone. So this is the drone itself. Let's see what the drone has. Let's see what this case has. So yeah, nice. Damn, the drone is really small, man. Wow. So this is the okay, this is the controller. Okay. Nice, huh? I'm kind of new everything that has to do with drone, guys. I never had a drone before, so I guess yeah, to put it like this. I see people that they say that some people say this is bad. I would say to have it like this, so you can have the whole entire signal all the time, so you can fly the drone with no problems. So that's cool, right? Cool, I like this. Feels solid, man. Like real. It doesn't feel cheap. You know what I'm talking about? So this is the where you put the batteries to charge all your batteries inside here. Nice, huh? Yeah, I like this. So see what we have in here. We have more. Okay, so I guess this is the cable for the phones. Oh, they give you extra buttons, so if something happens to your button, you still have more left. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. You got more pieces over here. They got a lot of stuff over here. And for the price, it's not bad, guys. 500 bucks. Damn, they give you a lot of stuff for $500. Wow. It's pretty cool, right? For $500, you get a lot of stuff. Wow. So, not bad at all, right? Also, you get more if something happens to your propeller for your drone, you still have more left. So that's pretty cool. Nice. So you have more. So something happens, you still have a backup. You still can fly your drone. Wow. This is pretty. Yo, this is pretty solid, bro. For the price, you can't beat this, man. 500 bucks. You got a lot of stuff on it. And this is the drone himself. Like, yo, the drone is so light, bro. It is so light. Like, wow. And so small. This is crazy, man. For real, this is insane, yo. This is really small. This is gonna go into be my first drone ever, and let me tell you something, man. It's really small. Wow. So I guess this is the front one right here, and this, yeah, man. Alright, so I got myself the DJI Mavic Mini.